Hello, lovelies, and welcome to my channel. I'm truly Tara, and here I do unboxings and reviews, and you guys know. So, today I have Lurella, and this is not their sub box. I did just order it. I'm a little behind on it, but I wanted to go ahead and place an order with them. I just didn't have enough to get the box. So they do these little things called lives and it's on Instagram and I think TikTok also, maybe even Facebook, I'm not sure. But they do the lives, and if you place an order during the live, they'll and you I think you put in the code that they tell you to put in, like you're entered to win like a couple of contests. Now, this past time I couldn't watch it because I was at work, but I ordered and I was able to hear him for a second, like read my order out loud and say that he was going to hook me up with something. So obviously I didn't win like the big, I think they have like two big drawings at the end of the night for everybody that places an order. I didn't win that, but let's see what I did get. So again, it's Lurella, and just if you're not already like a fan of theirs, just look their stuff up. They've got some really cool stuff, great sub box, and they're just a fun company. They really are. So, all right, let's unbox this. And do not forget, like, subscribe, comment. We are at 147, so we are that close to giveaway time. All right, so this is a nude headband. I'll tell you what I ordered. Everything else, I guess, is just something that they threw in. Oh, cool. Okay. I like it. I like it. I like that a lot, actually. I love these things. Usually, like, I think, I can't remember if it was Lorella that I got the one with the little, I know I got one from Cali's by Soul. I think that is the name. So I love these things to whenever I'm washing my face at night, whenever I get home from work, like to get my hair up, out, and then doing your makeup, they help tremendously. So I am loving that. And again, that was free. I did not order that. Okay. Wrap and swirl hair towel. Yay. I didn't order this either. Oh, I love these so much. I have one, oh, I think Ipsy. This one's way bigger, but I think I got one from Ipsy, and I've got two of them, and I'm pretty sure one came from Ipsy. Okay, now this is the things that I did order. So I got two freebies, and then I ordered some tweezers because I really, really did need some tweezers. Were those, that is on there. Ugh. Well, they're just rose gold tweezers. You really don't need to see them. But last but not least, I thought that wow, this thing is huge. I had no idea. Okay, so it's called Elements by Lurella. Like, they make their own stuff. Like, I'm so glad that I found them. I know I've told you guys the story. Like, I had seen that they had a sub box, but I thought that it was mainly just lashes, which I think they do a just lash sub box where you get just lashes. But I'm not into lashes. I do not have the time for lashes. So, yeah. So I don't know, I guess I seen another advertisement or an email or something, and I seen where, they had another sub box that was makeup, and I don't really think they have skincare, but they have just like the towel, and like I got my little Lorella cup. They just have they have the fan. I watched Blair White, and she has one of those fans, and I just wonder, is that from Lorella? How cool would that be? I cannot get this out of here. There we go. Okay, so I chose this. I mean, as soon as I seen Elements, I was like, oh, I have to have that. Oh, okay. So you got Earth, Wind, Fire. Is that it? Earth, Wind. Hang on. Let me let me check. Oh, it's not. Okay, well, let's see. The colors are the water, H2O, flames, tide, ocean, heat, air, breeze, earth, land, wind, and oxygen is in parentheses. So that's cool. Like, yeah, that's really cool. So I love those colors right there. The blue I probably won't do much with, but, and I mean, this might, yeah, I mean, I don't know. I don't know if I'll do much with this one because I feel like somebody else would really uh, love those blues and be able to work with the oranges and yellows. Those just aren't my colors. Like I've branched out into the purple with the P. Louise, and like I don't know, I'm still feeling funny about it, but I think that it matches the face palette, so I don't know, I feel better about it, I guess you could say. All right, well that's it. Like that's just fun. That did not cost that. I think that was like 18 bucks is how much that cost. And you know, I mean, it's fun. So watch for their lives. I think they do it like one or two times a week. So they're fun. So check them out. All right, well, that's going to be it for me. I'm going to shut up now and I will see you guys in the next. Bye.